Hi, I'm Rob, Creative Technologist here at SparkFun. This week we are rolling out 3 new toolkits. We've got the Roll-Up Travel Kit, the Beginner Kit, and our Deluxe Toolkit. Let's dig in and take a look at each one. Let's start with the SparkFun Tool Bag Kit. Now at some point you may find it necessary to branch out from the comfort and confines of your workshop and brave the outside world. Perhaps you're planning on competing in SparkFun's autonomous vehicle competition or combat bots. Now chances are you're going to want to have some of your tools with you. So sure, you could carry them in a sling like this or perhaps a plastic bag, but let's face it, you're better than that. That's why we've come up with the SparkFun Tool Bag Kit. Now, this kit offers some great hand tools, including both straight and curved ESD-safe tweezers, great for placing SMD components. There's also this sweet pocket screwdriver set with 7 different flat and Phillips head bits and a standard hobby knife. We've also included some of the most used hand tools, these needle nose pliers, a pair of diagonal cutters, and these wire strippers. Now, these strippers are designed for wire gauges of 22 to 30, perfect for most hobby-sized builds. There's also a 15-gram tube of leadless solder, and one of my personal favorites, the Hakko FX901 cordless soldering iron. I was a little skeptical of battery-powered soldering irons at first, but I have to say this unit does not disappoint. It runs on 4 AA batteries, and you can vary the temperature and time of use by using either alkaline batteries, which give you a higher temperature with a run time of about 60 minutes, or nickel hydrogen batteries, which will give you slightly decreased temperature, but allow you up to 120 minutes of solder time. I picked one of these up before an extended business trip to Florida and found myself enjoying my morning soldering on the beach. Soldering on the beach. And of course, because none of us are perfect, we've also included this solder vacuum. And since I mentioned leaving your shop, the kit includes this durable canvas roll-up tote bag. It has 23 pockets, giving you plenty of room for all the included tools, plus some of your own favorites, and even room for a granola bar. Okay, so you've started dabbling in electronics. Maybe you started learning some Arduino code, or maybe you've even made it through all of the experiments in the SparkFun Inventors Kit. But now you want to take the next step. You want to move forward, you've got big ideas, you want to start making your own circuits and projects. The Beginner Toolkit has the tools you need to take your first steps toward robotic world domination. This kit includes a silicone soldering mat. At 400 by 300 millimeters with 68 storage buckets of varying sizes, it's perfect for keeping your project components organized and your workbench unscorched. It also has 3 of the hand tools you'll find yourself using the most: needle nose pliers, diagonal cutters, and wire strippers. Now, these strippers, like the other kit, are for wires from 22 to 30 gauge, perfect for most of the wiring you'll be doing on smaller electronics projects. For putting your project together, we have a nice little 60-watt adjustable temperature soldering iron. This beauty allows for replacement tips and is Hakko compatible, giving you a world of options. There's also a soldering iron stand, complete with a small cleaning sponge, and a 15-gram tube of lead-free solder. And since none of us are perfect, we've included some solder wick in case you need to desolder any components. Finally, we've included a pair of SparkFun safety goggles and a 2-ounce water bottle. Now, if you're more experienced and are comfortable with a wider variety of tools, the SparkFun Deluxe Toolkit may be the kit for you. Like our other kits, the Deluxe kit has both straight and curved ESD-safe tweezers, as well as the needle nose pliers and wire strippers. This kit also has flush cutters, but here they are the Exolite cutters, an upgrade from the pair offered in the other 2 kits. It also offers the hobby knife, pocket screwdriver set, SparkFun safety glasses, and 2-ounce water bottle. And there's the insulated silicone soldering mat, just like in the beginner kit. But then this kit starts pulling away from its counterparts. The Weller WLC100 soldering station with its lightweight cushioned soldering pencil anchors your workstation. The soldering station comes with the flat ST3 tip, so we've included the ST1 tip, a finer conical tip. A tin of solder tip tinner and cleaner should help extend the life of your soldering tips. There's a 1/4 pound spool of our favorite special blend solder, which you won't run out of anytime soon, and the SolderMate solder dispenser to keep your solder spool from rolling across the workbench. There's also the Heaterizer XL3000 heat gun for reflow projects and even for heat shrink. Wait, what's that? Heat shrink, you say? Why, yes, this kit does include our heat shrink kit. The basic digital multimeter is a must-have on any workbench, and the SparkFun third hand kit is incredibly useful, especially if at times it has to stand in for your second hand. The illuminated monocle magnifier is great for getting a closer look at your work, but due to its design and style, it's not so great if you're looking for a Bond villain-style monocle. There's a full 22-gauge hookup wire assortment to get your projects wired up. And if you should make the occasional error, a chip-quick no-clean flux pen and 5 feet of No. 2 solder wick will help remove solder more easily. Well, there you have it, a soldering kit for everybody. So choose the one that's right for you and get out there and start something. What is this thing called? That's okay. Help remove. So close. The base. Blah, blah, blah. There's so many things in this. I got through all the hard words and I couldn't say help. Okay, take two.